You gotta stay fit, man. Listen, man. 4 sets of 12, man, resistant bands, man. I'm working on everywhere. I'm in my work van, man. There's no excuses, man. You can work out, man. Tricep exercise, man, for beginners, man. 4 sets of 12. Let's get it, man. Come on. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 1. Alright? 3 more, man. Listen, man, I see people every day, man, not working out, man. Not taking care of themselves, man. I see people that I seen a year ago, man. Till this day, man, bent out of shape, man. You feel me? I got the fan running, man. You feel me? Because it's hot back here, man. Air running, man. I'm doing this for y'all, man. You feel me? Alright? Let's get it, man. Number 2, man. Okay? Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are resistant bands, man. I'm in the back of my work van working out, man. For y'all, man. For everybody that want to be in shape, man. That want to try to stay in shape, man. And they don't like to go to the gym. You don't need the gym. Look at me. I don't go to the gym. I don't got a membership. Look. Look at it. All right, let's get it. Number 3, man. 2 more. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright. That's 3 sets. Look how easy it is, man. This is for beginners, man. Alright? If people don't know how to get in shape, I'm gonna show y'all, man. Easy. Simple stuff, man. Listen, man. Look at me. You can get like this, alright? Is y'all ready? 1 more. 1 more, guys. Let's get it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That was it. That's all you gotta do. Look how easy that is, man. You just gotta have the effort, man, to put in the work, man. And you can get like this, man. Alright, YouTube? I'm gonna teach y'all, man. Just follow me, man. Alright? I'm gonna show y'all, man. Okay? Versatility, man. Divine Sacred videos, man. Alright? I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man. I want y'all to be like this. You can be better than this, though. Y'all gonna be better than this, alright? Peace. I'm out, man.